Welcome to our channel where we will explore together the incredible power of prayer and how it can transform our lives. Stay with us and prepare for a journey of inspiring spiritual discovery. As we approach Christmas, the deeper meaning of this celebration emerges, guiding us beyond the bright lights and the exchange of gifts. For evangelical Christians, Christmas is a sacred moment that invites us to reflect on the birth of Jesus Christ, the Son of God, whose advent brought hope and salvation. In this spirit of worship and reflection, we present a Christmas message for you all, and also a special biblical passage to inspire and strengthen faith during this special season. Special message for you. Christmas means spirit of love, a time when the love of God and the love of human beings should prevail above all hatred and bitterness, a time when our thoughts, actions, and the spirit of our lives manifest the presence of God. Special biblical passage. The angel said to them, "Do not be afraid, for I bring you good news of great joy that will be for all the people. For you are born today in the city of David a Savior, who is Christ the Lord." Luke 2 verses 10 to 11. Did you like the video and the prayer? So remember to leave a like, subscribe, and activate the bell.